check some more.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean the car. So let's... Just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers. I'm now at around about 400 and that's amazing. As you can see on the screen, over 90% of the people who view my videos don't actually subscribe to the channel. If you can help me by hitting subscribe and also hitting the notification bell, that would really help me grow the channel and keep creating these videos. Thank you so much to all the subscribers so far, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.